Welcome back everyone. Welcome to the part 3 of our HTML level 1. Today we will be talking about list, but before then I want to tell us something. This is what we did last time on introduction. So I've changed the folder name to HTML level 1. Initially it was introduction, that's the folder name initially, and you can simply do that by changing it here in your file manager. So everyone should be able to do that. Now the next thing now that we want to work on is list, and list gets all our information on HTML page organized. And to start for today, we're going to create a new file. Then we'll call it list.html. This.html. Then I'll save. So if you want to make your work numbered, or you want to add bullets, then you make use of list. One way to do this is with list. HTML has two types of lists. We have the ordered list and we have the unordered list. We're going to understand it better when we work on it now. So the first thing is that we're going to write our HTML skeleton, and I think every one of us should be able to do that now. The first thing is to type HTML, our opening and closing tag of HTML. Then inside our HTML we have the edge. Is that okay? Then inside the head we have the title. Then in our title, let's just say our title is list. We are working on list. Is that okay? Then after our edge, what do we have? We have the body. Correct. You have the body. Okay, so inside the body, let's have h1 tag, header 1. I think you all know what we mean by header 1 tag now. So inside our header 1 tag, let's say I am working on list. I am working on list. No, I told you the other time. Okay, Control S, let's save it. I told you the other time that anything that is inside the body will be what will be displayed on the screen. So let me click on this now. Then I will have saved it already, so let me copy parts. I'm working on list, so let me flip over to my browser. Then I copy and paste. Now I already copied the parts, then just paste and go. Can you see? I'm working on this. That's what we have on the display on our browser. Now, like I told you that we have two types of lists. We have the ordered list and we have the unordered list. So for the first one, let's say unordered list, the first letter is U, and the one that the letter that starts for letter is L. So that's UL, unordered list. That's the name for the tag, unordered list. Then inside this unordered list we have list item. So that's LI. So in this list item, let's say the first one was list 1. So we can have another list item as well, and let's call it list 2, LI. That's list item. Then inside the tag, let's type list 2. List 2. Remember that this was still on inside unordered list. Then the third one, let's have list 3. Is that okay? So let's save now. Control S. Then let me flip over to my browser. Then I refresh. Can you see? List 1, list 2, list 3 having bullets. So that's the function of unordered list, is we arrange our work in bullet form. And like I told you last time that we have two type of lists. We have the unordered list, then we have the ordered list. For the ordered list, that's what OL. That's what OL. Now inside the ordered list, let's have our list item as well. The first one to be list 1. List 1. Then the second one, let's call this list 2 as well. List item. Sorry. So let's call this one list 2 as well. You see the difference now when we go to our browser. So there's a difference between ordered list and unordered list. List 1, list 2, then list item again. We have our what's list 3. Okay, let me save now, Ctrl S. Then I flip over to my browser. I refresh. What do you have? Perfect. List 1, list 2, list 3. The first one is what's on order list, is what it is in form of bullets, and the other one is what ordered list is in form of numbers. So that's the function of list item. It enables us to arrange our work, and this is where we're going to stop for today. I will be giving us assignments in the group, so endeavor to work on it, and I will see you in a moment. Thank you everyone.